Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander with a V6 motor, and we're going to go over how you would jump start this vehicle. So say your battery doesn't have enough power to start the vehicle, you've left the lights on or whatever, you need to jump start the vehicle. You would go through the process to get into your vehicle if your electric isn't working to unlock it, and then you pop the hood and get inside here, and then you're going to remove this cap. You're going to take your jumper cables or jump box, but you're going to take your jumper cables, and when you're using jumper cables is to connect this one to the positive, so you're red to the positive, red to red, and then you would take the other ends for your donor vehicle and you would click the positive on the positive, negative on the negative battery on the donor vehicle, and then you come back to this vehicle and you take the negative and you connect it to a good ground. We're going to just use this. A lot of times you can use strut mount bolts, which would be up in here. This, you can't get it. So right now I'm just using there's a bolt right here that's mounted straight to the frame, or a lot of the frame, and so that's going to be our good ground. And then you would have the other vehicle hold the RPMs for, at 1500 or 2000 just for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then go ahead and start your car here. Once your car is started and everything's good to go, then you would just unhook the cables from the vehicle in the reverse order, and then you'll be good to go. So that's how you jump start your car and how you jump start this Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.